Hello! To set up face recognition on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll down, go into the lock screen at AOD, and then we have to go into the screen lock and biometrics. Now we have to input our current screen lock, our current password, and here we have the face recognition. So as we go in here we have the information. Let's press continue, and here's the instruction to look directly at the camera and then tilt our head up to get the full scan. So let's press register. And right now let me just quickly scan out my face. Alright, and after you register your face, there's the on-screen instructions how to do this, and basically after you do this, right now we have the face data complete, and right now as I would like to unlock my phone from here, let's see, now there is this circle appearing on my camera, which basically is trying to scan for my face, and as the phone recognizes my face, it will basically unlock. So that's how to set up the face recognition. Simple as that. Thank you for watching.